So guys, we have lost the drone. I had to go fly it somewhere, but I think I know where it's at. Stop. A lot happened leading up to this event, and this is actually the story of my cousin's wedding. Let me take you back. Yo, what is going on, guys? Joe and Priscilla here.
Hello.
We are now on our way to the Keys at the moment in bumper-to-bumper traffic. It's pretty bad. I don't know, so we're literally just like chilling here right now. Yeah, thought it'd be a good time to vlog. Yeah.
Yeah, it's an easy drive because it's just like a straight until everything runs out.
Yeah. So, funny story. Priscilla forgot my shirt that I was going to dress for the wedding.
I thought you actually had a funny story. That's not a funny story. I'm upset with myself.
It's alright. So, I don't know.
I feel bad.
I've got other stuff though. We're going to make it work because your boy can dress in style no matter what.
And we always dress in beach clothes anyway, so I guess it's not too bad.
We'll be okay. I think we're going to stop at some smoothie place like she was saying, so.
Yeah. I looked it up. I was like, what's on the way? Because I'm hungry. And there's some smoothie place, fruit stand.
Yeah, so.
I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what that place is.
I don't know, hopefully
but,
it doesn't suck.
Yeah, but we'll see you guys when we're there, I guess. If you live in Florida, I'm very sorry for you that you have to deal with it like we do. That thing is
so
the
stupid.
Worst. I absolutely hate it.
What a plea for money.
Honestly,
I don't want to set up a camera just to make money.
Right? Can I just set up a camera and make $100 every 10 seconds?
So stupid.
We're here officially, so we're gonna go check this place out. Yet somehow she gets to go first. Someone's in here, so I can't go. Hello.
Property, we're here parking away.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
You're welcome.
Thank you. What's up, little dude?
Huh?
All right, there we go.
Welcome to our crib.
What's up? All right, so they got us gifts. All right, what is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
A really cute cookie of Sierra and Hunter.
Oh, wow, a cookie. What?
I know that is.
Bring that. Okay. Wow.
A K-cup.
Good job, guys.
Some K-cups.
Okay. Some coffee.
Water.
Some water. Ours was Bunch of Crunch and water, guys, so just so you know. Bunch of Crunch and water. That's what we gave.
Lay's and no, I gave more stuff. Lay's, I gave other stuff.
Snickers,
but this is super cute.
York.
I couldn't do food.
You like these. I hate these things.
Really? I've never had them.
That's just me.
I've never had that.
You like peppermint type stuff.
Sunscreen.
That's good. Sunscreen. Nice. That's a really good idea.
Bubble gum.
Gum. Wow.
That's a win.
I'm gonna explore the rest of this place. So it's very beautiful though. Look at that. Let's go upstairs, I guess, real quick. Oh, it's cool. This is the master bedroom. Ow! Oh, that hurt so bad. That hurt.
What hurt?
I freaking hit my leg up against the thing. Oh. Look at that. It's already bruising. What? Dude. Babe, look. It's bruising.
Dang.
That was fast.
So this is our room.
Guys, if you're wondering that face, that's because I farted. Well, yeah, it's super dark out here and you can't see anything, but very nice. There's water here. Oh, you can kind of see there's water. Yeah. All right. So our video got a little bit cut off because of the fact that I don't put my phone on airplane mode when I'm vlogging, what you're supposed to do. But yeah, so. Oops. As I was saying, we are going to go to
Publix.
Yeah, Publix. Let's go to Publix. And I think we're going to get some pub subs. Maybe some chicken tender buffalo sub. I don't know if you guys ever had that, but it's delicious.
It is.
So we'll be back a little bit later. I think that's going to be it for the night. We're just going to chill out and enjoy the night.
Maybe explore a little bit.
Yeah. Probably catch you guys in the morning.
Yeah.
Honestly. Yeah. All right. Peace. All right, guys. Good morning. Day 2. Woo! We're back. And we are getting some coffee. So it's like a little shack. Don't ask me why there's a fridge there. Yeah.
It's called Curly's, but they have it decorated. Like, it's cute. They have it decorated.
There's literally a bunch of these little like rocks like right here, and that's the drive-through. And then there's like this painted blue line that just like makes the drive-through. All right, got our coffees. We're happy.
It's
happy
really
people. Here is this front part that Priscilla wanted to show you. So they did this really cool thing, which we just did. Everyone's been paying like $5 forward for the next car.
So
that was really nice. I like that.
So
yeah. So I paid like the $5 forward to the next car and just paid my bill.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know. I thought that was like really great that they were doing something like that.
So cute. And there's like two people in the little coffee place, and they're just making coffee. That's it. Just living life and making coffee and having a great day, and it's very cute.
All right, this is what I just did. Taking a sip of both. Okay, and then now Priscilla's. Boom, you got yourself a white chocolate raspberry.
It's so good.
It's delicious.
Good.
We're obsessed with coffee, if you guys have not been able to tell by this point. But right now we're just driving back, and I'm gonna go cook something. Okay, so funny story for you guys. We went to the wrong place. This is the place that we're supposed to be at right now, on the water.
Can't pay that. I'm so embarrassed.
So now we're at the right place, but this other place we went to, we literally just played their games and left. All right, so we'll see you guys inside, I guess. Show you our food. Got our food. I literally started eating because I forgot, and it looked so good. So I got some conch fritters. Maria got some soup. He got shrimp. Mom got a sandwich. We're gonna eat.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna eat. We'll be back a little bit later.
All eyes on the way I vibe when I walk into the room. Wind blows underneath the soul. Brand new parachute. I got the attention. I'm on a mission. No sweat in the way I step. I got a fresh new attitude. Oh my, my, my. Oh my, my, my. Call me again if you find me. Oh my, my, my. Oh my, my, my. I'm leveled up, and this is my world now.
Great. So now that you guys are caught up, let me just move out of the way of this little boy. We are here. Clearly you can see we're in the middle of the ocean. Nothing is around us. The drone is somewhere all the way out here. Boom. Basically, what happened was We drifted way too far from the home point because it records your home point, which I didn't know and I didn't think about. We were in the water and it recorded that the home point was in the water, and we drifted probably about a mile that way. Priscilla was very angry at me. You'll see in the video, and it thinks that we're too far, so it's stopping like within arm's reach. So then, by the time we wanted to land the drone, because it was running low on battery, I had to land it. And I guess I'm gonna let you guys get back to the video. So guys, we have lost the drone, and I couldn't catch it because of the wind. Right now we're in a kayak race. I think it's back there. Oh. Woo. My arms hurt.
I'm glad you're safe, Diane.
Alright, 3rd Street apparently. And that's where we're at right now.
That makes sense, there's a school.
Yeah, here's us. Here's us. Here's the drone that's in the
so
basketball
it's in the
court.
school's back to the basketball.
Basketball court. Okay, cool. Alright, so
Okay.
just gonna go all the way down. It's close by the water. Bye. Don't ignore my hair, I had a headband on. That's it for this. We gotta go get ready for the wedding. Wow, I have like a super tan line.
What time is it?
Oh my gosh, look at my tan line from the freaking...
I don't see it.
Alright,
I don't
whatever.
see it.
Anyway, we're all good guys. Got the drone. Thank goodness.
Please put your seatbelt.
Okay. Damn, my heart was like beating. I was like, this is the scariest thing ever. But we got it. And now we are on our way back to Tranquility. Now, enjoy the wedding.
Should have been. None of this should have happened.
Okay, well, whatever. Alright guys, see you at the wedding. Bye.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for
under the leadership and authority of God Himself. Love is patient and kind. Your marriage is a companionship, which will you promise to love, honor, trust, and serve her in sickness and in health, in adversity and prosperity, and be true and loyal to her so long as you both shall live? Sierra, likewise, do you take Hunter to be your husband? Will you commit yourself to his happiness and his self-fulfillment as a person, to his usefulness in God's kingdom? And will you promise to love, honor, trust, and serve him in sickness and in health, in adversity and prosperity, and being true and loyal to him so long as you both shall live? I thee endow. In the name of the Father, and of the Son. And now you may kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Hunter Walton.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
He hasn't done this in 30 years, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise for him. Say go, man. Go, man. Go. Go, man. Go, baby. Go, man. Go, baby. I'm going to let him have the mic for a second. You ready, Matt? You guys got to sing with me here. We got one more verse? Like this, right foot like this. So go. A little louder. Say go, white boy, go, white boy, go. Go, white boy, go, white boy, go. We're going backwards 3 steps and forward. Say go, hunter, go, hunter, go. Go, hunter, go, hunter, go. Say go, hunter, go, hunter, go. Go, hunter, go, hunter, go. Spin, opposite direction. Let's see this, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. On the count of 3, I want to hear the whole place make some noise. Somebody scream. Let's go. Dancers. Anybody else know how to dance? A guy that can really rock the thing. Anybody? Right here, this guy. What's your name, man? Justin. You guys make some noise for Justin. Side to side. Oh, yeah, Justin. I like your face, bro.
Eventually.
Bring somebody else out.
Hey, buddy. Cute, man. Good.
I thought Ray was kidding.
What are you doing, D? Oh, that's a real snail, huh?
He'll pop
What
out.
the
When
heck?
Sancho stops scaring him.
Yeah. Look at his little eyes.
Big.
Like, damn, man. They got me.
They got me good.
Poor guy.
Right, back into the wild.
There's a whole